everyone, I'm Michelle from Huawei Cloud. I have been working in data governance for quite a while.
And I'm Chris Song, Director of Distributed Cloud Solution at Huawei Cloud. Today we will talk about how the CloudPond and Big Data solution can solve problems for customers, including data silos, poor data quality, and data exchange delays. This solution helps customers to get the full value from their data and make data-informed business decisions.
Okay, so I think that everyone hates flight delays. However, airlines have huge amount of data from various sources. If data becomes siloed at any point in the process, flight will be delayed. As a result, passengers will complain and airlines will suffer economic losses. To counter this, airlines demand data governance to avoid data silos and make fully informed decisions based on all data they have. Now, most customers are choosing to migrate the data to the cloud for more efficient data transmission.
That's true. Many customers choose Huawei Cloud's CloudPond solution because it can be deployed on premises and because it can process data efficiently without ever having to leave the customer's premises. This allows customers to process big data while meeting data compliance requirements.
Take airline dispatch and clearance as an example. It involves a large amount of data: weather conditions, flight plans, crew status, and aircraft performance. This data is stored in different systems. Keeping dispatch and clearance precise when the data is spread across different systems is a major concern for airlines.
So how do customers traditionally deal with this?
The previous solutions had pretty poor timeliness. Traditional ETL tools are used to batch collect data required for dispatch and clearance decision-making from multiple systems. The data is sent to the flight operations control system. This process can take up to 5 minutes. In addition to that, if multiple systems use data from the same table, multiple tasks need to be created. This lowers efficiency and affects system performance.
Well, what about now? What optimizations have we made?
We use the DRS service on CloudPond to collect data from source systems in real time. The MS Flink component processes the source data and writes to Loma MQuest so that the target system can consume the data in real time. The data exchange can be completed in seconds.
Great, let's see how it works. We can find that the CloudPond uses the Huawei Cloud Console. From there, we can get the latest cloud services with a few clicks, as it functions like a Huawei Cloud environment deployed right in the customer's equipment room.
Exactly. The weather, aircraft performance, and other types of data are collected from the airline marketing system and flight operations control system in real time using Huawei Cloud DRS. The data is then sent to MS Kafka and processed by MS Flink in real time.
Real-time data processing is very important for business decision-making. How do we make that work?
The real-time processing engine of Flink cleans, standardizes, and handles exceptions in source data to improve data quality and avoid ambiguity. In short, data from different sources can be efficiently shared across systems through the standardization of metadata and unification of technical attributes. In addition, all data is encrypted during transmission to ensure security.
I see.
After that, the processed data is pushed to Loma MQuest in real time so that other systems can consume the data. During the entire process, when source data changes, upstream and downstream systems will be notified in seconds, allowing for quick decision-making.
So, you just mentioned the point-to-point data exchange. How does CloudPond associate and analyze data from multiple systems and provide the result?
Huawei Cloud DRS writes data from multiple systems to DWS in real time. The data is then associated, computed, and analyzed. For example, We send flight cost data and ticket booking data to DWS to calculate the flight revenue in real time and track whether to adjust flight plan based on operational restrictions.
Okay, you highlighted there how real-time data governance helps us adjust flights. However, flight operations management has a lot of different moving parts. How can we change passive response to proactive management and adjustment?
Okay, this is a key issue. Currently, the AOC large screens of airlines mainly analyze result-oriented metrics rather than process monitoring metrics. In addition, there is no overall data support or visualized monitoring. So we first need to identify the key service nodes in the flight operations process. From there, we can use Huawei Cloud CDM to collect the core data of each node to DWS. With big data computing and analysis, we can identify the key factors that affect flight punctuality and operations efficiency. Finally, we can use BI tools to monitor process metrics in real time so that we can make right operational decisions.
This process is based on the CloudPond solution deployed in the customer's data center. The solution doesn't just protect data by storing it locally. It also provides secure, low latency, and up-to-date big data cloud services. With this solution, airlines can build a leading data governance platform and get more value out of their data, make better informed decisions, respond to market changes and innovation faster, and run business more efficiently. For more information, please visit Huawei Cloud official website and search for CloudPond.